Hello, thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna get right into this video. So this is basically a demo on how I crocheted my micro locks into the more traditional locks. And I bought this crochet hook. Well, it came as a set off of Amazon. It came in a pack, and it was, let me show you, size 0.5 millimeters and 0.75 millimeters. And this is what the hooks look like. You can see that. It kind of damages your hair. It does damage your hair. And also, I feel as though if I do the whole length of the lock, crochet it down, I feel like I'm gonna lose a lot of thickness, and I'm looking for a thicker, fuller set, so I'm not trying to like crochet the whole lock down and compact the whole lock. So I'm gonna give you guys a little demo on what I did to crochet my locks from micro locks to traditional locks, and then I have something else I want to get into, so stay tuned. What I'm gonna do is just crochet the ends of the lock so it doesn't look like I have like double-headed dragons or triple-headed dragons, because it's like 3 to 4 locks to one that turned into one traditional lock. What you do is take your lock, hope you can see this, and you're just gonna twist. What you're doing is twisting to keep a cylinder shape for your lock, and you're gonna use your crochet hook, and you're just gonna go in through the lock and jab it in and out, in and out, in and out, just so it's like attaching. The hairs are like hooking throughout all of the locks and all of the hair. So what I'm also trying to do is take the crochet hook and go up and down in through the center of the lock, just to get it a more cylinder shape. This one, as you can see, that's 1, 2, let me see if you can see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 locks, and we're gonna make it look like one lock. For the 2 different size hooks, I use them interchangeably, but you can use a 0.05 if you have more mature locks, and the 0.75 if your locks are looser or lighter or not as condensed. I was just repeating myself honestly at this point, but in the end you can see there's a piece hanging out, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not trying to go in that much because it's gonna damage my hair, so you do you, okay, sweetie? I will link below where I got these crochet hooks. I got them off of Amazon, but if you live in like New York, you can probably find them in a 99-cent store, because I definitely found them in a 99-cent store after I placed this order on Amazon. So definitely check your 99-cent store, local stores. I will link that down below. I will also link down below a video of someone really doing a better demonstration than what I did, because like I said, I'm not really trying to go in too much with it, so I will link below a better video for you. The next topic I wanted to get into is a little bit TMI, and I just want to know you guys' thoughts on them. comments anything if you guys are interested in learning more about it, because I got a lot of information on it. I've been researching it for a while and I've come across a lot of interesting things to say the least about the topic, which is menstrual pads. Well, cloth pads. These are brand new, never used cloth pads. No blood has touched these pads, but these are cloth pads. Do you guys use cloth pads is the question. And do you guys know the real tea on disposable pads? I'm so used to, like, I grew up my whole life basically using disposable pads, and like coming across this like brand new information, it has changed things for me, okay? And I wanted to change things for you guys too. So if you guys want any information, if you guys use cloth pads, if you guys know about it, if you guys want to watch some other videos, I'm gonna link that down below as well. But I am into them. They are super cool. I'm lying to y'all. I ain't into them things. I ain't into it. I would say I'm into it because of the health benefits. Everybody wants to be healthier and better, but everyone also wants to take the easier way out. And I'm so used to taking the easier way out. Like, I've known my whole life using disposable pads, and now that I have to like wash pads, like wash blood out of pads, I mean, it's not that tedious, but it's different. What it is different, and it's not as simple as just like throwing your pad away, pulling that tampon out, flushing it, you know? It's not that simple, and we like to take the easy way out sometimes, but sometimes that making those shortcuts cut you short in the end. So if you guys want to know anything about menstrual pads, if you guys use menstrual pads, but not honestly, I just want to get a conversation going, and because it's not something that's talked about. Even like regular disposable pads is not something that's talked about, and we know that we all have a freaking period as women. Like that happens, and it happens at a very early age, and people not really talking about it. It's not something that's talked about. And it's kind of weird, and it's kind of necessary, because we're just like handed these freaking pads. Like, yeah, if you use menstrual cups, that's cool, but I tried it, I almost died. I'll try it again, but like I said, I'm rocking with menstrual pads for the moment, but it's just not something that's really talked about. Like, whether it's disposable pads, whether it's menstrual cups, it's kind of kept under wraps, and we all bleed. And if you want to know some more information, because literally I got a lot to talk about, and I don't want this video to go on, so I'm gonna link some videos down below about menstrual pads. I'm making them myself for right now because I'm kind of into like crafting things myself, so I have started making them myself. I made these myself. If you want to know any more, I can definitely talk some more about it. But, you know, down below, talk about it. Let me know what's up. Like, what's up? What's up with you? What's up with your blood, boo? What's up with your blood, boo?